morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 1% in the last 3 sessions. The Williams indicator has moved into the neutral area. Bitcoin has gained 13.4% in the last 3 sessions. The ADX moved sharply into the positive area. The price of gold has gained 2.6% in the last 3 sessions. The Williams indicator is receding into the positive zone. The price of crude oil has gained 0.5% in the last session. The RSI has moved into the neutral zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
U.S. consumer confidence fell more than expected in July amid a flare-up in COVID-19 infections across the country. Digital currency prices are on a new upswing, and analysts are expecting a spate of M&A activity as banks look to buy rather than build crypto services. The Fed's interest rate decision and following announcements failed to lift the greenback, which continues to fall against the major currencies.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
The German retail sales will be released at 400 GMT, the Eurozone CPI at 700 GMT, the Eurozone's GDP at 700 GMT, the Canadian GDP at 1030 GMT, the U.S. Baker Hughes oil rig count at 1500 GMT, and the Australian PPI at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.